song by America. It's only about 6 chords that aren't that difficult, but I think the rhythm of this song is what trips people up and makes them avoid it. Let me solve that for you so you can play this beautiful song. The intro sounds like this. All right, we've got 2 chords there. The first one is called a C over D chord, 3rd fret of 1, 5 of 2, 5 of 3. Only play 4 strings in them, pretty much this whole song, to be honest. One technique you can use, you see these guys do it in some of these live videos, is they put their thumbs over the top a little bit to kill 5 and 6. And that way they can really strum out. Okay, that's the first chord. The second chord, keep your 3rd string where it is. Move your pinky to 1 and put your first finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Also 4 strings of strum. Okay, very nice chord there. All right, so you might practice that. Just practice going from this chord and then just switch your pinky in first to that. Now, here's the rhythm pattern. It's pretty much the more straightforward rock rhythm that he's doing in here. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, down. Okay, I'll do it very slowly. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, down. That's the intro, and that also comes right after the chorus as well. Okay, so it sounds again like this. Let's learn the verse. This is the part of the tune where these crazy rhythms start coming in, but I'll break them down for you real nice. All right, so we know what the verse sounds like. It sounds like this. Absolutely beautiful progression. All right, try these 2 beautiful chords here. The first one's a G major 7. It's on the screen there for you. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret on all your first 4 strings, right? Just strum 4 strings. And you might use that same technique kind of if you want to throw your thumb over the top. I tend to do that in this song. That's not great guitar technique, but hey, it's rock and roll. Okay, so that's G major 7. And then your second chord is a C major 7, which is also a beautiful chord. And that is 3 on 1, 5 on 2, 4 on 3, 5 on 4. Okay, so same thing, you might spend some time just going G major 7 to C major 7, kind of just back and forth those 2 chords. Here's the rhythm that I think trips everybody up, and I'll tear it down for you really carefully. All right, so it sounds something like this. Hold that G major 7. Let's go super slow motion. Okay, watch me do it. It's crazy slow. I'll put it on the screen there. You see that? I'll do it again. All right, let me break it down for you. All right, downstroke. Lift pressure on the chord so it gets a chuck sound. Downstroke. Upstroke the chord. All right, do that. All right, now, upstroke on a chuck, right? Pressure off the chord, and then a downstroke. All right, we got this so far. All right, now, downstroke a chuck, and then upstroke the chord. All right, so we've got this. All right, upstroke a chuck, and then down, up, down. All right, all together, it sounds like this. Great rhythm, it's so fun. Same on the C chord. All right, and then fast. All right, that's the rhythm that trips everybody up on Tin Man, but you can learn it. It's really not that hard. I learned it, you can learn it too. It's super fun to play. Of course, in rhythms, there's always variation. You know, he does an extra stroke here, extra stroke there, but that's a very learnable pattern. The chorus sounds something like this. Beautiful chorus. Right, that same chord, that G major 7 that we were doing down here for the verse, bring it up here to the 7th position. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10 on the first 4 strings. You might still do that same thing with the thumb. You don't have to, but they do, I do. All right, now the stroke pattern on the first C, this chord, by the way, is called C major 7. It's another C major 7. The rhythm pattern of this chord is like this. Down, up, chuck, down, up. All right, so that chuck was an up stroke. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so just practice that. Okay, again, an up stroke on a chuck, and then a down stroke. All right, so let me put that together. And now lose pressure and then do a down up on the chuck. All right, that's the whole rhythm. All right, let me do it slowly. Down, up, down, up. All right, do that over and over again. Those last 2 chucks give you a chance to come back to our G major 7 down here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And go like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, down, chuck, up, chuck, down, up, down. Okay? Very similar to the verse. So there's a little exception there. Okay, so your chorus and completion sounds like this. Let's put them all together now. I'll do a little play along with you here. I'm not going to play the whole tune, but let me play the intro. I'll do the verse a couple times, the chorus a couple times, then I'll do the intro again. And that's sort of the sequence of the song. All right, play with me if you can. Ready, go. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. I've got another video that I posted of Ventura Highway, which I think if you love America, that's a song we all love to play too. I break it down for you. So again, thanks for all your support, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.